Hello friends, today we discuss about instrumental method of chromatographic analysis. Why does paper chromatography work? Some dyes dissolve better other than in water. The soluble dyes tend to travel further up the paper. Filter paper is made up of cellulose fiber. Some dyes are attracted to the cellulose fibers more than others. The ones that stick to the fibers less tend to travel further. The result is that each different dye travel a different distance up the filter paper. Retention factor RF values, solvent front, new position of compound, origin. The further a dye travels, the higher its retention factor. RF is equal to 2.1 centimeter upon 2.2 centimeter is equal to 0.75. Here 2.1 centimeter means the new position of compound and origin. This distance is 2.1 centimeter, and solvent front and origin, this distance is 2.8 centimeter, and the ratio will be given 0.75 centimeter. Gas chromatography. Here this is the instrument for the gas chromatography. In first figure, block diagram of instrument, carrier gas, flow pressure control, injector, column, detector, and data system, or this is called readout device. We can see in a gas chromatography, a carrier gas pushes the sample through a long tube, means in column, containing silica. Different compounds take different amount of time to travel all the way along. They have different retention time. How many substances have been separated here? Recorded response versus time in a minute. The peak further is to the right hand side is called the molecular ion peak. Here relative abundance versus meter upon Z. This tells you the relative molecular mass MR of the molecule. Advantages and disadvantages of instrumental methods are: in advantages, it is a quick scan, might take 20 seconds. Sensitive, small quantities can be detected. This is very sensitive, and it will detect the small quantities, and it also accurate. You can find exact mass of the molecule. And the disadvantage is expensive. It is a GC or MS machine. It is very expensive in cost. Here some keywords are given. First is paper chromatography, then retention factor. Is in short we call RF value. And the gas chromatography means GC, retention time or column, mass spectrometry, molecular ion peak, relative molecular mass, this is called MR. Then GCMS means gas chromatography, mass spectroscopy. It is very sensitive. These are all basic content of gas chromatography.